Hi, Ann Novak here, career coach at the Career Center of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. Are you committing one of the 7 deadly sins of job search? I hope not. Today I want to talk about sin number 5, which is this: not preparing for a job interview. Follow along and I will show you what can go wrong and what to prepare right after I take myself out of the picture. So you watched our first 4 deadly sins of job searching videos, you followed our advice, and you scored a job interview. Congratulations! Now, don't go out and celebrate the achievement on the night before. Instead, use that time to prepare. Why prepare for a job interview? After all, this is all about you, and you know yourself pretty well, right? Not quite. The job interview is about you in relation to the job you're applying for and how you can benefit that company in that specific position. In order to be at your peak performance, you need to prepare the following. Your clothes. Research the organization's dress code and dress accordingly. Check out your interview clothes a few days before. If they need dry cleaning, you don't want to find that out the morning of your interview. If it has been a while since your last job interview and you don't wear your interview clothes frequently, try them on. They might not fit anymore or be out of style. You want to prepare your route to the interview location. Check out where you're going. If you're taking public transportation, check the schedule. If you're driving, search for the best route, how long it takes, if there is construction, etc. After all, one of the biggest interview blunders is being late. Research the company and the role you are applying for. You want to know everything about the company you possibly can. If you know somebody that works there already, talk to them. At the very least, you need to thoroughly check out their website. Ideally, you also follow them on social media and research their business information in company databases such as Data Excel, which is available through your local public library, or on the internet at Glassdoor or Google. This is obviously the big one. You want to prepare your answers. Most job interviews will be conducted using behavioral questions. Behavioral questions are those that ask you about real-life examples from your work history or hypothetical scenarios common in your field. For example, tell me about a situation with a difficult coworker and how you resolved it. Or, an angry client calls and accuses you of giving him the wrong information. What do you do? It is very hard to come up with good answers to those kind of questions on the spot. You need to take time and prepare them. The best way and key to answer behavioral interview questions is the STAR method. Situation or task, action, result. You want to tell the interviewer the situation or task you were faced with, the action you took to resolve that situation, and the result from your action. Google the most common behavioral questions and write down your own best answer to each of them. Practice them until you can present them naturally and with ease. You also want to record yourself. This way, you can see your facial expressions and body language and how you come across. So, now you know how to not commit the 5th deadly sin of job search, to not prepare for a job interview. Stay tuned for our next deadly sin of job search.